Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Bumpy dating app. In order to do so, here we are on the Google Play Store for Android. And once you have installed the app, then you can go ahead and just open it up. But let's go ahead and scroll down here a bit so we can see a little bit more information on Bumpy. So Bumpy is international dating. So that's one of the things that helps it stand apart from the other options out there. If you are looking for your international soulmate, then Bumpy might be the app for you. You can meet real people around the world, and you can even make video calls globally. You can chat with anyone in any language. Find your international soulmate with Bumpy. And let's go ahead and take a look at the app itself. So one of the first things I noticed when logging on to Bumpy is that it asks you if you want to be seen on the map. And this is where you can toggle this on, and every time you come online, your profile will appear on the map for 24 hours. So that helps people find you. So that's kind of a neat little feature. We'll go ahead and hit continue on that. And Bumpy's going to ask for this device's location. We're going to go ahead and just bypass that for now. So you can see here at the bottom, we have our main menu. You have your profile. You have the map, and we have people. And here, if you are familiar with any dating app, if you are interested in somebody, then you can swipe to the right. You can say hello. And if you're not interested in somebody, then you can swipe to the left. So that's going to give you a basic idea of what you can expect with Bumpy. Pretty typical when it comes to dating apps and how they work. Now you have your liked you page, just as you might expect. Here you have anybody who might have come across your profile and clicked like. Now, if we want to see who liked you, then this is where you are going to need to pay for the subscription. So Bumpy is fairly standard when it comes to dating apps, but the main difference is that it's international. So if that's something that interests you and you want to spread your net so that it's as wide as possible, and maybe you don't feel like you're finding love in your local area, you might want to give Bumpy a try. Just be aware that in order to take advantage of all of the features, you are going to need to get a subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.